In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 ice cream makers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best ice cream makers. The 5th product on our list is the Nostalgia WICM4L. Everyone loves a delicious cone or bowl of ice cream in the summertime. As a favorite sweet treat for many people, it's always guaranteed to be a hit. But did you know that ice cream is actually surprisingly easy to make at home? All you need is an ice cream maker such as this one from Nostalgia. Just place it on your countertop and you can start experimenting with different flavors, follow new and delicious recipes, and recreate your preferred frozen treats using healthy substitutes. What's more, ice cream makers are also great for people with allergies or those sensitive to preservatives and other stabilizers. This old-fashioned looking ice cream making machine comes upgraded with some modern technology but remains simple. It requires some salt and ice, yet there's little of the hassle that comes with pre-freezing bowls or hand churning, thanks to this unit's powerful electric motor. You can just step back and watch the paddle quickly create up to 4 quarts of homemade ice cream or frozen yogurt for you inside of the aluminum canister. Once your ice cream is frozen, the motor will automatically adjust to prevent the machine from overheating. This means you can leave it to do other tasks and not worry about it breaking. Furthermore, this unit comes with a handy fitted see-through lid that allows you to store leftovers in the freezer. Additionally, when there's nothing left to scoop, the removable plastic liner makes the device effortless to clean. It's a simple yet effective machine that will provide you with ice cream in less than 30 minutes. Its pros are: it's got a simple, fail-safe design. It does all the hard work for you, and it is very easy to clean. However, it isn't well insulated, so you can't leave the ice cream in there too long once it's made. The Nostalgia WICM4L is a great addition to your home kitchen that will ensure you always have something for the summertime dessert menu. Up next in 4th place is the COSTWAY. Nowadays, the cost of purchasing ice cream is getting pretty expensive. It is often the general idea of people that want ice cream at home to buy a quart or a cone from grocery stores. However, the truth is that it's always possible to make your own ice cream from the comfort of your kitchen. This very smart-looking stainless steel ice cream maker is one of the best in its class, with an impressive series of features and excellent functionality. This ice cream maker is straightforward to use. At the press of a button, you can make delicious ice cream, rich, creamy gelato, and sorbet, all from the comfort of your own home, which is perfect for freeing up time with your families and supplying summertime barbecues with chilled treats. Furthermore, this ice cream maker machine has a large capacity that allows you to make up to 2.1 quarts of ice cream at a time in a single batch. With this unit, you won't ever again need to wait for hours or take up loads of freezer space before being able to make your favorite frozen dessert. Moreover, by simply choosing your preferred mode and throwing in some ingredients, you can make delicious ice cream in no time at all. What's more, thanks to its LCD timer control on the surface, you can always know when the ice cream is ready to eat. Another great feature is that this product has a reliable built-in safety device. The motor will shut off to prevent damage if the mixture freezes solid, so that you can make ice cream with greater peace of mind. Lastly, the bowl and churn blade are all removable, so they can be cleaned effortlessly. And this unit is created with a vertical, small footprint profile that fits any countertop. Its pros are: it quickly produces a decent amount of ice cream. It's straightforward to operate, and it has a small, compact build. However, its touchscreen controls are a bit fiddly to use. The COSTWAY brings a conveniently simple way to make delicious desserts hassle-free at home. Still haven't found an ice cream maker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Whynter ICM-200LS. There's plenty to like about this ice cream maker. To begin with, this stainless steel machine not only looks sleek and professional, but has a greater capacity than most at just over 2 quarts. It also has a more powerful motor at 180 watts and a lower price tag. It's additionally ultra quiet, makes ice cream fast, has an easy-to-read LCD control panel, and is fairly low in weight and size. This Whynter ice cream maker is powerful. So powerful, in fact, that it can freeze a batch of ice cream in just 30 to 60 minutes. What's more, it allows for continuous use, which means you can make batch after batch with no downtime for your party. This means you can effortlessly make as many flavors as you desire without a problem. But don't feel like you have to. If you're making several flavors or trying out a new, unique recipe, it still works great to make a smaller amount. Not only is this option so much easier, but it also tastes much better. The Whynter ICM-200LS also features an extended cooling function that helps prevent the mixture from melting. Also, much like others on the list, it has a motor protection function that stops the motor from churning once everything is finished, to prevent overheating or damage to the motor as the mixture freezes. This unit also includes a handy electronic timer, ice cream scoop, and an easy-to-follow recipe guide alongside this excellent hardware. Lastly, the sleek stainless steel exterior and soft-touch LCD control panel will accent any kitchen counter. The bottom line with this unit is that it offers a high value-for-money machine and is backed by a manufacturer that provides great customer service. Its pros are: it's a very well-made bit of kit. It has a powerful motor in conjunction with a large capacity, and its range of features is excellent. However, it is difficult to get parts for repairing the device should anything go wrong. The Whynter ICM-200LS is a powerful device that reliably creates delicious ice treats in no time. The second product on this list is the Cuisinart ICE-100. For those who'd rather skip pre-freezing bowls and opt for the convenience of a compressor ice cream maker, you ought to consider this model from Cuisinart. This unit has a compressor, so there's no need to freeze the mixing bowl, paddle, or any other parts before using it. Much like more expensive machines, it makes ice cream in less than an hour. But unlike other models, it comes with 2 ice cream paddles, one specifically for gelato, which requires extra slow churning. There are 2 kneading paddles that allow you to switch seamlessly between gelato and ice cream. What's more, to help you get started, this product comes with a handy recipe book featuring loads of recipes for ice cream, gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, and more. Moreover, this device is small enough to fit on your counter under the cabinets, as it measures only 16.7 inches deep by 12 inches wide by 9.3 inches high. The main material of the chassis is made of stainless steel for a durable, clean appearance. Furthermore, the transparent lid covering the mixing bowl features a mix-in opening where you can add ingredients without having to stop the churning process. You can also control the appliance easily using the built-in touchpad and blue LCD display. It does offer only time adjustments, and on-off button, and a start-stop button. But really, what else do you need? Lastly, as the entire device can be disassembled into 5 separate parts in less than a minute, it's incredibly easy to clean up any mess and ensure everything is ready to go the next time you want a frozen treat. Its pros are: it has a twin paddle system, its compressor is powerful, and it's easy to break down for cleaning. However, its container can freeze and get stuck very easily if there's any moisture left after cleaning, so you need to be careful to ensure that it's properly dried after use. The Cuisinart ICE-100 is a solidly made unit that makes it easy to create large amounts of great tasting ice cream and gelato. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top ice cream maker is the Lello 4080 Musso Lussino. The Lello 4080 is made almost entirely of stainless steel. This includes the outside casing, the freezing dish, and the dasher. There are no significant plastic components anywhere in this machine, including the dasher or blade. Sure, there is some plastic where you'd expect it, on the knobs and cord, but all the most important working parts are completely plastic-free. This outstanding model features a built-in compressor, which freezes as it churns your frozen concoctions. Many owners using this model report it lasting for as long as 10 years before needing any maintenance. A lot of other, less high-end machines would just get chucked into a landfill after 3 years, so it's outstanding value for money. With this unit, you won't need to freeze bowls 24 hours prior to use, fret about using the right amounts of ice and salt, or even need to find a willing youngster to serve as a power source, since it's all electric. You can effortlessly create multiple batches of frozen treats, one right after the other, thanks to the powerful 100-watt motor which attaches straight to the bucket. There are no belts to worry about slipping, and its built-in clutch system helps protect the appliance from burning out if the ice cream freezes solid. Furthermore, since the dasher on this product model is powered by a motor within the bottom, the plastic cover is the same size as the actual bowl, so it can be taken off whenever you want to incorporate ingredients or simply observe the freezing process. Overall, it doesn't get much better than this for a home ice cream maker. Its pros are: it's an incredibly well-made device. It's very simple to use. It has a high output potential, and it makes delicious ice cream every time. However, it is more time-consuming to clean than other products on this list. The Lello 4080 Musso Lussino is an outstandingly well-made device that's simple to operate and will last a lifetime. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.